Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the platform that fits your format and audience. Once chosen, use a dedicated email and verify your phone to unlock features. Make sure to select a concise handle and upload a high-quality profile photo and banner. Next, create 3 strong content ideas and record 1 short intro clip. This gets you past setup quickly and gives your channel an instant identity. Once done, proceed to platform registration, follow the guided prompts, and confirm account settings. Now optimize your profile so viewers know what you offer. Write a keyword-rich bio, add important links, and include 1 clear call to action. Enable 2-factor authentication and link your other social accounts to streamline sharing. Then set up creator tools, connect analytics, apply for monetization if eligible, and configure upload defaults. At the same time, create your editing workflow, thumbnail template, and a simple content calendar. This reduces friction and publish your first piece of content and immediately schedule 2 to 3 follow-ups to maintain momentum. Make sure to promote across your link socials and engage with comments during the first 48 to 72 hours to boost early signals. Monitor retention, click-through rates, and other analytics to refine your next uploads. If something goes wrong, like verification failing, retry with a clear ID, check your email spam folder for messages, and contact platform support only after those steps fail for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.